Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this bamboo side table. This is such a cute little table, and it's actually 2-in-1. 2-in-1 because you can actually slide off this top part of the table and have one sitting here and one off to the side. So we will take a look at this. One great thing about it is it folds up. So if you wanted to store this away, these nice little pads right here fold right down. That is great. It's got this nice non-slip grip on the top here, so it can then sit on your furniture without moving around. Now to use it, super simple. All you've got to do, pull the little arms out, done. Now this thing is on here. That is so nice. Then this part, you can easily slide this off, depending on which way you want to put it on your sofa. If you want to be able to slide it off that way, put your cups on the other side. It's very versatile. And then your little cup holder comes off to the side. You've got two little cup holders, and then you have a tray over here. So if you did have somebody else you wanted to have a little dinner with or whatever, you've got it all sitting there together, and then it easily just slides right back into place, however you want to have that designed. Then you can sit here, pile up your food, put up to 2 different drinks on here, and that works out great. It's all holding on there really nice. Could even put your remotes off to the side, put that on the extra cup over here. Hold on. So then if I did want to have a dinner over here, I can have my friend over there eating some food while I have some drinks. Put some drinks in that little cup holder as well. And everything is nice and organized, nice and sturdy in these nice little cup holders and nice little arm trays. Whenever you're not using it, like I said, easy to put away. All you've got to do is pick it up and it automatically folds up. With the material on here, this bamboo, it's very easy to clean. You just wipe it right off and you're ready for next time.